In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer and group objects in Microsoft Word. We'll start by getting your shapes onto the page, then select them properly, and finally group them so they move and resize as one. Along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep everything aligned and layered the way you want. Begin by adding your shapes first. Open your document and insert the shapes you need. Think rectangles for callouts, circles for highlights, or arrows to point to key parts of your content. As you add them, remember that Word automatically stacks newer shapes on top of older ones. That natural stacking order is your initial layering. For easier positioning, make sure each shape uses a wrapping style that lets it float over text, like in front of text or square. You can set this from the small Layout Options button that appears near a selected shape or from the Shape Format tab. Next, click each shape to select the ones you want to combine. The quickest way is to hold Shift and click each object one by one. If objects overlap and are hard to click, try clicking near an edge or drag a selection box around them. You can also open the Selection Pane from the Shape Format tab to pick items by name, which is especially helpful when multiple shapes are stacked closely together. With your shape selected, right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a right mouse button, use Control-click or a two-finger click to do the same. This menu is where you'll find the tools you need without hunting through the ribbon. Now click Group. Choose Group in the menu, and your selected shapes will merge into a single grouped object. From here, you can move them together, resize them proportionally, rotate them, or apply formatting to the entire set at once. Grouping is a great way to keep a layout intact so elements don't drift out of alignment. A quick note on layering. The group will sit in the stack based on the topmost item you included. If you ever need to change which object is on top or behind, look for Bring Forward and Send Backward in the Arrange area of the ribbon. If Group appears grayed out, make sure you truly have multiple objects selected, and that they all use a floating text wrapping style rather than inline with text. Pictures, icons, and shapes can be grouped together as long as their wrapping styles match. To tweak a single item later, select the group and click once more on the object or briefly ungroup, edit, and group again. Save your document and you're set.